Hey everybody, we're here looking at the Grasshopper 900D. This is the new 1.3 liter Grasshopper 900D 1.3 liter Grasshopper. So this is the Kubota diesel. They're coming back with this series. You can see we've been out mowing with it. We got a rainy day out here. We got puddles everywhere, and we've been out mowing with this thing. You can see the grass all over it. This thing got torque beyond. You guys all need to come check this out. Lots of torque. They got the new 24-inch tires. So we got these wide tires on here. Allow for good flotation, less ground compaction, help hold the hills, all that. They also have the new, you can see the fender flare there. That's pretty cool. It makes it look tough. The new fenders on there. So it's got an angle to it. You can see that angle. So the fender's got that, and then we got that flare to it. Makes it look really tough there. So we've got that. They also have added these LED headlights here. So they're at an angle, so that allows more light in the right places. It's going to put more height to that instead of just laying them sideways. You know, if they were in here just like that, you're not going to get the height. So you're going to get more depth and height with those lights there. So we've also got the Grammer seat, so you can adjust that to your weight. Everybody gets on here and adjusts that up and down to their weight. So it's a really nice seat on this 900D. And then, like I say, we've got the Kubota engine in here that's going to give you a lot of torque. So went to the new fuel gauge, and so it's the electronic fuel gauge. See, it's got a bar across there of where it's going to read for fuel. We've also went to the hour meter in there, so nice fuel gauge, nice hour meter. Then down here we've got the USB ports. So you got two USB ports to charge your phone, your headphones, iPod, whatever you want there. So USB ports there. So nice upgrades here on the Grasshopper 900D. Where we're mowing, we got this grass that's pretty tall as we haven't mowed it here. We got a little bit of rain, and so this grass is we're gonna go down here in our road ditch. This grass, we've been demoing this Grasshopper 900D here this morning to some of the municipalities. But this grass here, this grass is 6-8 inches tall here. The grass that we were mowing down here in this ditch was a foot tall in some spots here. You can see we actually have water standing in the ditch, and this grass was about a foot tall, and we were mowing it with that 900D. Like I say, you can see this right there, right where I stepped. It's wet down here. We got water running into the drainage ditch there, so it's wet, guys. It's been a rainy, gloomy day, and so we've had about 2 inches of rain in the past 24 hours. This grass was a foot tall here where we were mowing. You can see this grass up here, and we're gonna go ahead and mow with this 900D and show you. So he's going down through the ditch. You can actually kind of see the water where he's going with that right tire. As right here, you can see how wet this is. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's actually squishing underneath my boot there. And so we're mowing that wet of grass. And you can see the job it's doing, just beautiful job in this wet grass after 2 inches of rain in the last 24 hours. I mean, it's muddy where we're driving here, guys. There's water standing, and it's doing just a beautiful job. So that's the 900D Grasshopper, the brand new 900D. Now he's mowing the slope there. It's a pretty good slope, and it's holding that with those 24-inch really wide tires there. Is on a wet bank. It's a little squirrely, but that's a steep slope, and it's not even, it's a rocky slope over there, so. And you can see we got water running in this ditch. You can actually see the moisture coming out there as he's